What up? What up? Good morning, Team Bull. Mentees. How's everybody doing this morning? Hopefully, y'all are ready to crush it. Some nice volatility in the pre market. Super close to our daily demand zone on ES. Good morning. Let's get this bag today. Might actually hit this in the pre market. We're super close. Nice, Andrew. Gotta leave for Cali today. Let's get it. Good morning, Tube. Good morning, TikTok. Let's crush it today. Let's make this bread. As always, the ones that are tapping in right now, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. The one watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. That would be appreciated as well. All that stuff helps with algo. So again, double tap the screen, hit that thumbs up. Let's make a bag today. What happened to NQ? Got slaughtered. We had earnings yesterday. Let's rock. Let's do it. Let's see. I'll be in Silicon Valley. Trade evades. We're about to run into a daily demand zone, so I don't know. Depends on how we react. That'll be the deciding factor if the market continues going lower. Let's see. Yeah, we're like 3 points away from it. So that'll determine. All right, we're hitting it now. All right, I'm just getting this posted up and then we're good to go. Everybody have a good evening, though. Appreciate the follow, Nathan. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're in the daily demand, so I'm curious if they hold it. Live trading link. If you see this, I am still live. Yes, I'm also on Zoom. I do Zoom every day for Team Bull and my students. Okay. Watch this 5-minute candle close on ES, everybody. If we close above 59, I might actually try longs, or 60, I would say. Starting to get above this demand zone. Oh yeah, hold on, let me share my screen with you guys. There you go. Let's get it. Let's watch this 5-minute candle close. Again, I'm watching potential longs. Everybody got to close above 60. Got a lot of volume coming in. It's our daily demand zone. If we lose this 60, we could go a little lower. So that's why I want to wait on this candle close and see. Close below 60, we could potentially go down to 31. That's our next level. Definitely some volume coming in, though. 30 seconds till this candle closes. Real quick, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow, double tap the screen. I live trade every single day here on TikTok as well as my Tube channel. So again, hit that follow, top left, top right. Tap in every single morning, 30 minutes before market open. And I'm live every morning, 30 minutes before open. All right, no candle closure above that level, so therefore it's not valid. I guess we could potentially watch the 15-minute, see if that reclaims it. But for now, no trade off that level. I'm actually surprised we didn't even try to, like we were trying to hold it. I'm surprised we didn't though, given we just dropped, let's see, like 50 points on ES. With literally no pullback. So we'll see. Daily demand zone. It says it right here. I'm tatted. Was I in a gang? No. This is a yes. Again, I'm going to watch this 15-minute candle close now. See if we get back up above 60. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you haven't. Hit that follow. Also, while we're sitting here waiting for this thing to either confirm or not, if you guys haven't signed up for my free webinar, make sure you guys do that as well. I'm going to post that link in the chat over here on the tube. If you're watching on TikTok and you want access to the free webinar, it's going to be next Wednesday. If you can't make it, it'll be recorded and it will be emailed out to everybody that's on the list. Okay. So if you want to join the free webinar, I'm going to be talking about my entire system. So if you're watching on TikTok, either shoot me a DM here on TikTok and say webinar, or send me a message on my IG, BrandonTrades, and I'll send you the link over there as well. But either or, again, it's a completely free webinar. It's next Wednesday, and I'm going over my entire strategy. So again, shoot me a DM and say webinar. At the 4-hour range, I mean, what are you basing a trade off the 4-hour? Like what's the purpose of the 4-hour? Definitely some absorption happening. See if we can pop back up above 60. What's my strategy? Join the webinar and find out. I'm breaking it all down. If you join these lives consistently, you see that we catch bangers. I'm breaking the whole strategy down. Also, if you guys ever need accounts before market open, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. We have not touched this demand zone yet, where we are trading right now. We touched 73, but not 59. We got 1 minute till this 15-minute candle closes. See if we pop back up above 60. Do I find a setup every day? I mean, most days it just depends on the overall market. I actually really like this. It's just I don't think we're going to reclaim it. We didn't reclaim it, but I still really like it, everybody. We got 15 minutes till open. I think if we can pop back up above this 60, I would consider it. Has to be on this candle, though. Like, this candle has to get back up above it now. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow, top left, top right. If you're watching on the tube right now, make sure to hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got about 100 of you here in the tube and only 25 likes. So that means a quarter of you have hit that like button. So again, make sure you guys hit that like. It'd be greatly appreciated. Close, confirm. What's up, dog? Looking for a potential trade. We're in a fat daily demand right now. I don't think it's going to do it, though. But if we pop above 60 on this candle, everybody, I'm going to consider the longs. Good morning. Good morning. You guys ready to make a bag today or what? Make some moolah? Where's everybody watching from? Where you guys live? Cali, Texas, Florida, etc., etc. Where you guys from? Type it up. Let me see. Georgia, Alabama, Michigan, Fire, Florida, Tennessee, Australia. What time is it there right now? Is it like midnight? It's got to be later than midnight. Jersey, Mexico, 11:17. Fire. Are you the same time zone as Tokyo or no? So I know the market opens in Tokyo at 11:30 p.m. So I'm assuming it's got to be. I don't know what daylight savings. I use a 30-minute orb every day. Do I trade it every day? No, but it's something I look for every day. Opens at 7:30 in beautiful Colorado. 7:30 a.m. I'm done trading every day by 9 a.m. Somalia. Interesting. Pennsylvania, Florida, Dubai, Stockholm, South Africa, Silicon Valley. I'll actually be there tomorrow, or actually today. I'll be in Silicon Valley. South Africa, Ecuador. The tube is international over here. Fire. France. Interesting. Got some diversity over on the tube. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Top left, top right. This is ES, but I go live every single morning, 30 minutes before market open. Call out all my trades, educate you guys, help you guys pass your accounts, help you guys make money. So again, make sure to hit that follow. If you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. So BrandonTrades on the tube, 1,800 videos, 138,000 subscribers. My goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I need to average like 77 new subscribers a day to hit that. I did the math this morning. So again, if you guys want to contribute to 150K and tons of free education, make sure to head on over to my tube channel. You should know what the tube is. BrandonTrades. Tons of free education over there. And again, I live trade on there as well. Full screen view though. TikTok, you just have like a little small portion. I still like these 5-minute candles with these wicks down. I just want us back up above 60, or if we fail these wicks, then I don't care about it anymore. If you type in BrandonTrades book map, I got a bunch of videos already. How about mark the opening candle? I don't mark the opening candle. If you're talking about the orb, I find the highest and the lowest point within the first 30 minutes of market open, and then I plot that. But we gotta wait for that. 10 minutes until open. Ten minutes, everybody. New Mexico, fire. Let's see. That's what I can fit. Unfortunately. It's only so much I can fit on streams. That's why I always say the best place to be is in the Discord. So if you pay for the Discord, you get literally full screen everything. It's not cropped. And it's real time. Iowa, nice. Again, if you guys are watching on the tube, make sure you guys are on the live portion of it. Make sure you're not like delayed. So make sure it's all the way fast forward. We're watching to see what happens in this green zone. There's a good chance we do trade down into 74.31, but we'll see what happens there. Ready to crush it today, Mr. GD? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see, market got destroyed overnight. Google, bro, they beat earnings by 200%. It still got slaughtered. I think we're going to break this zone, everybody. So, again, good chance we trade down into 31. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got 7 minutes. If you're new here, appreciate the follow. Again, I go live every single day, 30 minutes before market open. South Africa. Again, make sure you guys are on the live portion, because I see people just now saying where they're from. So that means you guys are probably slightly delayed. Again, make sure you click the live button or fast forward all the way to 0.00. Again, we'll see what happens at 31, but it's the only area I see. It's the only area I see. Just sit and watch, Zero. Just sit and watch, buddy. What is the 74-73 line? 74-73. Oh, that is the previous levels that we bounced off of, 74-73. And now we're breaking below it. So, I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even be interested in shorting it up there just because we are technically in daily demand. We just didn't hold the beginning of the zone. So if we end up bouncing up, you would pretty much just be shorting going into daily demand, which isn't a very smart idea. So we'll see. Got 150 of you on the tube right now. Again, if you guys are new, everybody on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button. Live trade every single day for you guys, 30 minutes before market open. Everybody in the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're watching on the TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 138,000 subscribers, 1,800 videos. So again, if you guys want to tap in, BrandonTrades on the tube. You got 5 minutes until open. Let's get it. Yesterday we went 2 for 2 on trades. 2 for 2. I wonder if I can actually change my screen here on TikTok. Let's see. Discord. Here it is. Look. This was yesterday. These are all the gains from yesterday. 2 for 2 yesterday. Again, called out both of these trades. It's all in the Discord. There's also a UFC fighter, Brandon Royval. He's a homie. But, yep, all these gains from yesterday. See if we can do it again today. All right. Let's see, how do we switch it back? There we go. Apply. Perfect. Cool. We got 3 minutes. Game plan for today is to see what happens in this daily demand zone. Again, I would prefer if we trade down into 31, just because we did not hold 59.5. And yeah, go from there. Wait and see. Wait and see. Again, if you guys need accounts before market open, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon, all caps, BRANDON. Get you the best possible discount. Obviously, the goal is to help you guys pass your accounts and help you guys get a payout. Also answer your questions if you have any. And let's see, free webinar. If you guys haven't signed up for that free webinar, next Wednesday, it's going to be pinned in the tube comments. Takes 5 seconds to sign up. Let's get it. What you watching, GD? You'll get everything in the coming days, don't worry. This is right now ES, but honestly, we'll pull up NQ for now. Just because ES didn't end up holding that level. We're at that lows. Yeah, say if we break this 28,700, maybe retest, we could look for shorts. Only issue is ES being in demand. But we'll see. Appreciate the follows, everybody. 1 minute until open. Let's crush it. Actually, not even 1 minute. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Let's get it, Team Bull. Remember, A+ setups. Stay patient. We're gapping down about 12 bucks on QQQ. $8 on SPY. So big move has already been taken in the pre-market. Just trade safe, trade smart. I would really like to see us get down into 74.31 on ES. That would be ideal. Bro, what is wrong with my Thinkorswim? Nice, my Thinkorswim is frozen. Like, won't let me click anything. Bruh. Well, for some reason, my Thinkorswim is frozen. It's trying to delete a chart, but it won't load. It is what it is, I guess. Worst case scenario, we do TradingView today. It's the last thing I feel like doing, but I don't know why Thinkorswim is frozen. Appreciate the follow. Pretty big move up so far on ES. I watch both NQ and ES. It's not like I prefer one over the other. It just depends on which one gives me my setup. Nice little sweep of that low. I guess trading view it is. I did not feel like dealing with that today, but I guess it is what it is. Let's see, and Q. There we go. Okay, if this doesn't unfreeze and like by the time this moves somewhere that you guys can't see it, we're gonna switch it. Yes, it's just nuking off the open. Can't move it. It froze. I went to go clear my draw lanes on QQQ and it won't move at all. Oh, there it is. Hell yeah. Now we're good. Hell yeah. Well, we got fat daily gaps on QQQ and SPY now. So honestly, I want to watch those. And we're bouncing out of daily demand. Let's see. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Hit that follow, top left, top right. If you guys haven't signed up for the free webinar yet either, I'm doing a free webinar next Wednesday. So if you guys want to tap into that, again, it's completely free. If you can't make it, it will be emailed out as well. If you're watching on the TikTok and you want the link, either head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, and tap into the live. It's in there right now. Or shoot me a DM on here and say webinar, and I'll send you the link. Okay, so send me a DM saying webinar. If you're on the tube, there's a link right there. Do I trade NQ? NQ is on the chart right now. And we are looking for a potential entry. I honestly am leaning a little more towards the upside, given we bounce out of daily demand. We have daily gaps. I'd like to see what happens, ideally for more upside. Would like to see what happens based off of that. What's up, Connor? Good morning. SPX has that fat daily gap too. See if we can get an entry though. Hopefully the market doesn't just push without us. Of course, it couldn't bounce at the beginning of the demand zone and wanted to dig a little deeper into it and wait for market open to actually bounce. Appreciate the follow, Soli. Got about 200 of you on the tube today. Let's go. Maybe if we pull back to the high of that previous 5-minute candle at like 63, I'd like to see what happens there. Again, we have daily gaps on QQQ and SPY. Just hoping they don't buy it up with no pullback. Got 2 minutes till this candle closes. We got news today, GD? Do we have news? It doesn't matter. Damn, Tesla's still dumping. If it's somehow pulled back to 295, I would load up in my long term. Ideally, yes, I am looking for longs just because, again, we have a daily gap. We're bouncing out of a demand zone. So I would say my bias is to the upside until we take out the opening lows. So 74.45 on ES and then 28657 on NQ. I'm hoping it doesn't just literally nuke. AMD's really pushing. Stay patient and wait for the setup, everybody. Yes, this is NQ again. Look at the price on the right, and then you know exactly what it is. How I find fair value gaps? I am a straight man, so I do not draw those on my chart. Sorry. The pink line is pre-market low. I don't think they're necessary personally. Yep, if you head on over there and type in BrandonTrades, I'll pop right up. I'm live there as well, every day. BrandonTrades on the tube. Hey, Jadon's the sus one, not me. Don't let him fool you. This shit better not just rip straight up, bro. At least a pullback. I had a feeling it would nuke off the open too. I don't think the market's going to give us a pullback, buddy. I like futures more, but I will trade options. Traded options for so long, it's kind of just like second nature. But I like futures, and the more, or futures is like easier to comprehend exactly how much you're risking, how much you're willing to make. You know, there's no theta if it does sit there and chop against you, et cetera, et cetera. Have I tracked my GTR? No. No, sir. Bro, shit is just ripping. Interesting volume, though. The volume's shrinking on this move up. Actually kind of interested in Tesla shorts if it gets up into 339.50 to like 340, give or take. Right here, GD, you got to be in the Zoom if you want the full time, or sorry, the full screen as well as GD. I'll put the Zoom in the chat if you want to join it. Code Brandon will get you 50% off your first month. Here's the link right here. If you want to join the actual Zoom. Get access to me, GD. There's another Zoom for J Dunn. Yeah, 50% off your first month. If you find zero value, and you can't make $40, $45, then I'll personally refund you. But that is the link to be in the Zoom. Do I like orb longs? We got to wait for the 30-minute orb. Got 15 more minutes. Would you look for shorts on NQ based on 3-hour supply? I actually did have a supply zone marked. Hold on. It's up at 29030, give or take. But the only issue is I think we'll still be in the daily gap. That's the issue. So if we're in a daily gap and we're going into a demand or a supply zone, it's not valid just because the market will more than likely go fill gaps. So it makes it significantly lower probability. The Zoom is in my bio at SSAM. If you want to come join. And then again, the code is Brandon for 50% off your first month. And again, if you can't make $40, $45 an entire month trading with me, then I'll personally refund you. Want a better pullback. I want to watch this with you too. I was hoping we get more pullback on Tesla because I want to put, but Tesla said nah. What price am I looking for it to come down to? Honestly, I don't know yet. We'll see. I'd like a little deeper of a pullback though, just because we moved from 28660, a little over 200 points, but no real pullback on NQ. So we'll see. And if you guys are watching it too, make sure to hit that that thumbs up. We got about 250 of you in here right now. 250 with like 87 likes. Terrible ratio. So hit that thumbs up. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure you hit that follow button. Live trade every single day for you guys. Top left, top right corner. Make sure you guys hit it. Yesterday we went 2 for 2. 2 winning trades. Tesla's just getting destroyed. Destroyed. GD's better at these these kind of setups too. So if he takes it, I'll take it. We're at the 50% retracement on ES. GD tried it. I have not taken it yet. Again, he's better at these kind of setups. I just want to look for confirmation and then I'll take it. But I am personally not in yet. This area that I want to see. Right here, if we can hold. This area that I'm watching. See, we pop back up and reclaim 70. That's what I would like to see. What do we got? Or we're about to run into the 61.8 on this pullback. Whoops. I'm gonna try a light size right here. See what happens, but this can't go where it flows definitely. Try to light size of longs, everybody, on NQ. I want to see if we can pop back up. Light size, though. If we get below 40, I'll stop out. And then we'll watch the demand zone. But this is the area where I want to look for a potential add. Again, if we get below it, I'll just stop out for the small loss. This area, I'm watching for that. Which, I don't know. We're about to see if we get it or not. Yeah, no. I'm going to stop out. Nope. Well, that was a quick little in and out, stop out. Actually, you want to know what doesn't look bad? Is if ES can reclaim 60. If we reclaim 60, I like that. Pointing back into this daily demand with this fib. Then we would have really small risk. It'd be below 57. I definitely like this more. I tried it. I tried the ES, everybody. It's already up 3 points from the entry. See if we get some more. We're up about 4 points. I want to look closer to like 7-ish points for the risk to reward to make sense. Come on. There we go. We're up 5 points up here. Couple more points. Come on. Come on. A little more. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a trim up here going into the like the 70 level, everybody. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take another trim up here into 72. Very nice. Again, 2 trims. Let's see if we can capture a bigger move up. Keep our stop at break even. About like 8 points off that entry. 8 to 9 points, depending on your entry. That one was normal size, by the way. Not light size, normal size. Yeah, let's keep our stop at break even just in case. But ultimate price target would be high day. 2 trims. See if we get this move up. Come on, don't stop us out. All right. It's pretty much at break even. I'm all out. All out the rest. Why such a low point TP? Well, we weren't risking that much, and I typically trim around a 1-to-1 risk to reward. We caught about like a 1.5 or off of that. And I mean, have you seen the market recently? Sucks. Yeah, 2 points. 8 points. But yeah, 2 points. Yeah, that's all we caught. You just got to be more conservative with this market. It's just that it hasn't, we take advantage of what we can get. If we can get a 1.5 hour trade, we want to trim, put our stop at break even. And, if it does go in our favor and we capture 2, 3, 4, 5R, cool. But for the most part, we just got to be a little more conservative with this market. But yeah, sorry for that first losing trade, but we were light size. The ES I was normal size. So hope the guys were able to make money. Did you get my message? Ask about the mentorship. Shoot me a DM again. Did you send it on TikTok or IG? That was a lottery trade. I beg to differ. Reason being, pump up off the open. We had daily gaps. We opened within an ES daily demand, which is a major level on ES right now. We pulled back into that higher low, which is exactly what we would want, right? If we're going to catch an uptrend entry to take the market higher. Again, we don't know what's going to happen next. All we know is odds are the market is going to go up. Does that mean that the market's going to go up? No, right? It's not guaranteed that the market's going to go up, but the odds are on our side. IG, I'll check it here in a little bit. But yeah, it was worth a shot for me, right? So I took it. Took both of them, actually. Red to green. Red to green. Best way to learn trading at 16 years old. Go on the tube, type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. BrandonTrades on the tube. It doesn't help that Tesla's just literally getting slaughtered. NQ is the same thing. ES and NQ moved the exact same. It was the same exact setup. It's just ES wanted to dip a little lower and NQ wanted to dip a little lower. Same exact setup. Now we're closing below those fibs. See if it pops back up. No, I took longs on ES and we caught about like 8 points on that move up. Bouncing off that pre-market low again. Yeah, I don't take lotto trades. I take what makes sense. That's it. Risk to reward is there, and I like it. I take it. No, I'll trade in the middle of the orb. Speaking of which, we just got the orb. We'll see. The net, if I'm gonna watch another trade, it's gonna be down here at 7431. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. 7431 on ES. That's our big demand. Maybe watch the NQ 30-minute orb just because that's not in demand. But we'll see. Again, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow, top left, top right. As you guys saw with both those trades, I call out all my trades from start to finish. All my trades start to finish. Also, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, live over there as well. Tons of free education, 138,000 subs. 1,800 videos. So again, a ton of free education for you guys. Let's see. Weiss, what are you talking about today, bro? I can't be any more clear when I take these trades. I said, okay, now I'm watching ES. We're pulling back to 61.8. Okay, I'm taking this ES. And it just happened to work immediately. Literally zero, not even a tick of drawdown on it. It's like as soon as we entered, it was already up 3.5, 4 points. But can't be any more clear. What level do you think Tesla stops flushing at? Honestly, I would be interested in buying Tesla at 295. That's the only level I have. 300, 295. You're just making 0 cents today, bro. I don't know if he's trolling or what, but he's making 0 cents in the chat today. He was saying I took a lotto trade on the NQ, and then shortly after, 2 minutes later, said it's okay if you see a setup, it's your money, you trade your money. Like what? Yeah, I don't get it. And nobody's getting defensive either. I just can't be any more clear when I take these trades, literally. Guess we can wait and see what happens with this 30-minute orb. Maybe if we break above it on ES, even NQ, look for more upside. It's just ES would get above the VWAP level if we got above the 30-minute orb. Any questions while we're chilling, everybody? Any questions while we're chilling, waiting for another setup? This is NQ. We've only had one losing trade this week. Everything else has been winners. Let's see. One loss, one win. 1 for 2 on the day. Dads. I have no idea who that is. Yeah, no idea who that is. Never seen him. I never use the 15-minute orb, so I don't know. I don't use it. Again, if you guys are new on TikTok, make sure you hit that follow button, top left, top right. Live trade every single day for you guys. So again, find the follow somewhere up in the left or right corner. Hit it, tap in 30 minutes before market open every single day. Want to watch this 30-minute orb, everybody, on NQ. Get below this opening candle low, pull back up, retest, I'll look to short. And then our big level on ES is at 74.31. So we get there, I'll look for a bounce. I always go with the 50K. That's just personal preference. I guess you could try the 25K. I've personally never. I should, but I like the 50Ks. I do have some 150Ks with Apex as well, but personally 50Ks for me. Then again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. You can use code Brandon in all caps, BRANDON, get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. How we doing, Team Bull? You guys chilling? Chilling like a villain? Frustrated? What happened, Jeff? Just one opti? What is that? Oh, opportunity. I don't set, like, I don't use bracket orders, if that's what you're asking. I know my risk. I want to at least make 1R based off my risk. Ideally more, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, you know, etc. But bare minimum 1R. Yes, Bartlett. 1 win, 1 loss. Small loss, bigger win. QQQ, we traded yet. Sitting on hands. New York session is trash. I was really hoping we would get that gap fill opportunity. It might wait till tomorrow. We'll see, though. Again, if you guys haven't signed up for the webinar, too, I'm going to keep reminding you guys. Completely free webinar to join. It's next Wednesday. If you can't make it, it will be emailed out to you. Here's the link right here. If you guys want to sign up, again, it takes 5 seconds to sign up. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to join, shoot me a DM here on TikTok saying webinar, or on IG. BrandonTrades is my IG. Same thing, just shoot me a DM saying webinar, and I'll send you the link here in a little bit. I personally hate taking the orb breakouts at high or low day. What's my experience? I mean, it's good, or I wouldn't trade the 30-minute orb. I don't care where it is. As long as we don't have a large and aggressive move going into the level, then I watch it. See if we can find another trade. Again, waiting for the 30-minute orb or demand. Yeah, if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right. Top left, top right. How many hours a day do I trade? I live trade for 2 hours. New York Open is what I trade. So first hour and a half market open, maybe 2 hours, but I go live 30 minutes before. Okay. I'm on one of those big ass planes today. It'll get better after earnings season, DZ. The stream is delayed. Again, if you want real live data, you have to be in the Zoom. Appreciate it. Trade the charts. It's a very simple strategy. See if we get this 30-minute orb. I want to try to get something on my options. Let's see, 693. So we'd watch the 692s. If we were to trade QQQ. So again, I'm watching this 30-minute orb. Get the break below in the retest. I like shorts. Or if you trade QQQ, I like puts. Patiently waiting. Again, feel free to ask questions while we're just chilling, everybody. At least make this live a little entertaining. while the market sits here and chops. So Lucid 50K flex, and I just popped the 1400 trade. Should I stop trading on that? Yes, I would say so. Yes. $1,400 is good. That's a greed factor right there. If I'm risking 5 points, I want to at least make 5 points. That's how I determine it. I'm confused about your question. At a 50% fib the whole last downtrend. Exactly on that 750. 50% retracement. I see what you're saying. This high, this low. That was a 618. I mean, yeah, you could have potentially seen it as that. The only issue is, again, was that daily gap that we were in it. So it happened to work. It's just, again, in the future, trying to short hit a daily gap to the upside, if we're in it, is very hard. Like most of the time, it doesn't work out. Vice versa. If we're filling a gap to the downside. I like shorts if we get below the opening low and then come back up and retest. Do I think there's any significance to that? No. As soon as it breaks fibs, I delete them. So as soon as we get a 5-minute candle close on the opposite side, I delete it. Again, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon, all caps. Yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of volume right now. Again, we got down $11. The only thing I'm waiting for is if we get below that 30-minute orb. Just staying patient. What? Chilling, watching price shop. Oh yeah. It's really up to you, TikTok. Out of those three, I'd probably go Apex or Lucid. Take Profit Trader is always my favorite, but if that's not in the equation for you, I'd say probably Apex. Do the end of day drawdown, no activation fee. Again, use code Brandon, get you 90% off. BRANDON. Getting hungry. You guys just love watching choppy price action together. Yeah. Love it. See, we cracked this 30-minute word. We're close. You got 150 left in drawdown on your funded. I'd say it's nearing the end of its lifespan. Yeah, 150 is not really a lot to work with. I've seen people come back with 100, 150 left, but I'd say the odds are pretty low. You could just look for a really good trade and risk like 7 points on NQ and hope to catch, a bigger, larger move, 30, 40, 50 points. Just keeps bouncing off this pre-market low. Won't break below it. It's got dad strength. I think this is it. I think it's gonna break it here. Highest and lowest point of price action within the entire post and overnight session at pre. I think it's gonna crack. Okay, we'll watch the 30-minute orb if it gets down there. This market's gonna make me sleepy. Have you guys signed up for the webinar yet? Hopefully you all did. How many of you in the tube signed up for it? We got 210 of you in here so far. Or TikTok. Again, message me on here, say webinar, and I'll give you guys the link. But how many of you have signed up so far on the tube? I'm gonna send it again if you haven't. Still think this thing went slower. How many? How many of you signed up? There's 210 in here. I better see a bunch of people saying yes. DM it to me. DM me webinar, like actually in my messages, not on the live. Yes, you did. Hand up. Who else? Come on now. There's more than a few of you in here. 210 of you. You're in, just did. Perfect. Again, next Wednesday is when the webinar is. If you can't make it, it'll be emailed to you as well. The breach retreat. That's where a breach is one in a 30-minute orbit. No. I've never. Sounds too complex. Again, it will be emailed to you. If you can't make it, the recording will be emailed. 7 p.m. EST. If you cannot make it, it'll be recorded and it'll be emailed to you. This pre-market lows got that dad strain, GD. What? Yeah. Just will not break it. I feel like when it does, though, it's going to be a big old dump. Big old dump. Who else signed up? It's got to be more than you. More of you than that. You did. Perfect. Who else? Next Wednesday. Again, if you want the link, DM me webinar on TikTok. Just DM me. Perfect. Signed up. Perfect. Give the market like another 30, 45 minutes, but all it's doing right now is chopping. Again, get below that pre-market low, though. I think it's really going to start to pull. Just signed up. All right, pre-market low again. See if we actually break it this time. Is it gonna do it? There we go. See if we get this 30-minute orb low. Just give us a death candle through this thing. Popping back up. We did not get the 5-minute candle close below. Might get it on this candle. Trading at the low on ES right now. Watch it completely just reverse and not break it. It's not gonna do it. Bruh. Well, now we sit here and we wait. Big old boner candle. Where you at, GD? I think GD had to take a little break for something. Good job, Mike. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subscribers. And again, the goal is to hit 150K by the end of the year. So, need to average about 77 new subscribers a day. So if you're not subscribed to the YouTube and you want to contribute, BrandonTrades on the tube. I'll pop right up. This price action's ass. Literal ass. Give this market another 20, 30-ish minutes. We'll see. See if it gives us anything else. Now it's really starting to push up. Let's see. Instead of futures is valid, or is there any downside to that? I don't have a margin account. I mean, QQQ, you just obviously have to know how options move, but that's pretty much it. You buy puts when you think price is going to go down. If you're trading options, if you're trading futures, you would go short. If you think price is going up, you would buy calls with options, or if you thought price was going to go up on futures, you would go long. It's the same stuff, just different ways. And obviously, like taking into consideration the Greeks. But we're coming right back down to a level. Watch this 30-minute orb. You guys staying patient though? What's your question, Dora? Let's see if we actually get this close below. Got like another 2.5 minutes on this 5-minute. I've already taken 2 trades. We'll see. If I get another setup, I'll take it. Made 2K, good stuff. 2 minutes till this candle closes. Best thing you can do is take high quality setups, Dara. If there's 2 a day, then there's 2 a day. If there's 3 a day, then there's 3. But if it meets your strategy, you take it. Let's see if we get this close below the 30-minute orb. Yeah, June and July is typically pretty ass for the most part. Once we get through earnings, it'll be good. Once we get through earnings, it'll pick back up like August, mid-August, September, and then it'll slow down again towards, I'd say, Thanksgiving. It's typically how it is. Thanksgiving into the end of the year is always pretty slow. Hardly close below the 30-minute orb. See what happens if we pop up back into 60, because we do have some selling or sellers. I think it's going to do it. It's popping back up. Yeah, we have the sellers in this area. I want to watch these QQQ puts, though. I just don't like that we're still in this daily demand on ES. Let's see if we reject it here. Come back down. See if we fail. The blue candle is just saying we close below the 30-minute orb, and then live accounts. I mean, live accounts are good. It's just, you know, personal preference. Do you want to trade props or do you want to trade live? That's all it is at the end of the day. Again, everybody, let's see if we close below on the 5-minute time frame. I am going to watch QQQ puts for this one and just keep my my futures gains for the day. I'm watching it. I'm gonna try it. Try the QQQ puts. You could try NQ shorts. Stop would be above that 30-minute orb. Just locking in my futures gains for the day. This thing would be money if ES broke that low a day. There we go. Come on, give us more. We have some big buyers down here at 28,600, so I'll look to trim if we get down there. Come on. A little bit more, buddy. Right here. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a trim down here, everybody. Trim going into this 28.6. And then just keep the stop at break even. I would really like to see a big old dump, but you know, we'll see what the market offers. If we can crack 28,600, it's going to be a bigger move down. A lot of buyers down here. Should be about like 40 points. 40-ish points if you took it on NQ. There we go. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take another trim down here, everybody. Everybody should be green today if you guys took the ES and these shorts. Again, keep your stops either at break even or slightly in profits. It's completely up to you. I would like to see a further move down, but the market's kind of been ass today, so wouldn't put it past it to not continue trending down, but I would like to see it. Three trades today. You guys got me in rare form. Yeah, just rip a fourth one. Sure. get a 5-minute candle close below the 30-minute orb on ES, that would be phenomenal. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby, go lower. Come on. I better see some gains posted today. I know. I'm feeling frisky today. Should be about, I think, like 60-ish points if you took it on NQ. Again, I'm in the options, but like 50, 60 points, give or take. I think it will. CVD is climbing, though. Yeah, I'm going to take some more off right here, everybody. Hell yeah. Just got my runners now. I'm going to hold this until, like, I don't know when, honestly. Actually, if we hit 74.31 on ES, that's where I'll close it. Let me see you guys posting hashtag poster gains. Let's see. I'm going to just keep my stop at break even on these runners. Close below the 30-minute orb on ES as well. You know, I don't see people typing. Do I have to offer an account? Is that our deal? I'll tell you guys I'll give away. What? All right, here's the deal. Y'all post and hashtag poster gains. I'll give you guys 10, 15 minutes to post. I don't care if you made $2. I don't care if you made $5 or if you made 500. Post it up. Tag me in GD. And I'll give you guys a chance to win an account. Offer a mentorship. That will definitely not happen. 0% chance. Keep posting. Post them up. 50 points. Nice. Made 112. How much you guys make on tube on that? Again, 2 winning trades today. Started off with a loser, came back with 2 winners. Post in hashtag poster gains, General Van. Caught 100 points, 7,500. Good shit. %0 chance. What? Yeah, but we're popping back up. I took shorts. Well, I took puts. I traded on options, but you guys could have taken the NQ shorts based off of that. Got that trade, pass for eval, fire. Tell you what, if you guys want to join the free Discord section and post and hashtag post your gains for a chance to win a free account, I'm going to put the link here in the tube chat. So here's a link right here. If you guys want to join, right there. Again, it's free. Post and hashtag post your gains at Brandon, or I think my Discord's at Carhorns, and then at GD Investments as well for a chance to win. I'll pick a winner here in about 10 minutes. Also, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, help you guys pass your accounts, educate you guys, get you funded, and help you guys get payouts to make money. So, yeah, make sure you guys tap in, follow every single day. Follows at the top left, top right. Subscribe to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I go live every single day, 30 minutes before market open. So again, BrandonTrades on the tube, or if you guys like TikTok more, BrandonTrades on TikTok. Yeah. But I got to pee really bad. I got these runners. Team Bull, I'll be back. I really have to pee. So I have these runners with a break even stop. I'll be back in a second. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Oh, 1 second. I'm just trying to find my camera. Put this. Oh shit, it's upstairs. Need to put this in my camera. Not forget it before I leave. What up? We still holding runners, everybody? Or is everybody out? You're out. I really want the 74.31 on ES. That's where I'll close this completely. Oh, wait. This is messed up. Oh, let's see. I'm telling you, if y'all are new with this, listen to Brandon. I've been doing this for 6 months, and I feel like because of him, I am much more advanced than where I should be. Hell yeah. It's fire, Austin. Take a screenshot of that. All right. Anybody else want to post some hashtag post your gains? Bro, we're getting this level on ES. Again, if we hit 74.31 on ES, I will close my QQQ puts. That's a major level in the market. What? Yeah, always. I was looking at the 1 day, but they were expensive. I like them cheap. Yeah, or you make 100%. Bro, like right at the money, $475 for tomorrow. That's crazy. Come on. A few more points for me. You're stupid. It's like, oh no, he told me he was hitting a 100-point banger today, so. That actually should be like pretty damn close to 100 points if you guys took it on NQ. I think about like 80, 90, somewhere somewhere around there. I do have my finger on the sell if we try to bounce this demand zone early. Okay, we're at it. Curious to see if we break through it. Am I being greedy? Is this what greed is? Are we going to get more? We're right at that demand zone. Fingers on the sell. Should officially be over 100 points if you guys took it on NQ. Okay, I'm going to close this, everybody. Went ahead and closed the QQQ puts. Beautiful trade. We're starting to hold that ES demand now. Should we make it 4 trades? If you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. 2 winning trades today. All right, now that we're finally out, I'll give you guys a few more minutes to type and hashtag post your game, tag me and GD, and then I'll pick the winner. Appreciate it, Brody. Fire trade. I'm so hungry right now. My stomach keeps rumbling. Definitely volume coming in at this demand zone. GD, I will let you pick the winner today. I know. Technically, we closed on top of that demand zone. Curious to see if they break it through. I think they closed it on top. Yeah. Yeah. Stop. Fuck that guy. Three, two, one, stop. Same thing. What time do you type it? $10.58 is $8.58 for me. 69,420. Bet T Grabonsky 69,420. Check your DMs, fool. Breaking that demand zone now. I think it's probably going to go lower. Beautiful trade, though. I like the execution on that. Oh, way better. Good stuff, though. I think I'm going to call it. Three trades, 2 winners. Last trade was a monster winner. So, yeah. You want to host or are you going to stick around? Or are you going to leave? Sorry. You're gonna dip. All right, everybody. Well, have an amazing day. Hopefully, you guys were able to make some money, and let's do it again tomorrow. Peace out, team. Yes, sir. Peace. All right, TikTok and YouTube. Hopefully, you guys made some money today. If you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. As you guys saw today, I do exactly what I just did. Call out all my trades from start to finish, exactly where I'm watching, where I'm trimming, my stop loss, etc., etc. So if you guys have not, make sure to hit that follow button. Again, it would be greatly appreciated. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. Make sure to subscribe. Tons of free education over there. 138,000 subscribers, 1,800 videos, all that good stuff. And also, one more time, YouTube, if you guys have not signed up for the free webinar, make sure you guys do that. Here is the link right here. If you guys want to join the free webinar that I'm doing next Wednesday, shoot me a DM here on TikTok, say webinar, or shoot me a DM on Instagram, BrandonTrades, and I'll send you the link. So again, if you're watching on TikTok, shoot me a DM on here or on Instagram, and I will send you guys the link. If you're in YouTube right now, the link is in the chat. So again, it takes 5 seconds to sign up. Completely free webinar going over my entire strategy. So hopefully I see you guys there. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day. I will not be live for Asia today. I'll be flying over to Cali, and last thing I feel like doing is trading Asia after being on a flight. So have a good one, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.